I once had $12 in my checking account and $7,000 on my credit cards. No savings, no investments, just stress, guilt, and a sinking feeling I had completely screwed up my financial future. But here's the truth. Those terrible financial decisions, they didn't ruin me. They became the foundation for everything I now teach about building real, lasting wealth. This is the story of how I went broke and what I learned about money, mindset, and turning it all around. Stick around, because if you're in your 20s or early 30s, this could save you years of mistakes I already made for you. Let's rewind. I was 23, fresh out of college, first job, first paycheck, and I thought I was ballin'. So what did I do? Bought the latest iPhone on a payment plan, of course. Leased a car I couldn't really afford. Ate out 5 days a week and opened a credit card just for emergencies. Spoiler alert, the emergency was sneakers. Apparently, I believed I could manifest wealth through brunch, but the truth hit hard and fast. Interest rates stacked. My paycheck vanished before the 10th of the month. And one night, while overdrafting $3.99 for a burrito, I realized I was officially broke. The fear wasn't about being poor. It was realizing I had no idea how money actually worked and no backup plan. This question mark, this was rock bottom. But it's also where everything started to change. Hitting rock bottom does one powerful thing. It strips away your illusions. I stopped pretending, stopped flexing, and started facing the truth. I binged finance books and YouTube channels. I tracked every single dollar. I built a budget, not to restrict myself, but to buy back control. Here's what I learned that schools never taught us. It's not how much you make, it's how much you keep. Compound interest is your best friend, but only if you start early. Debt is a tool, but if you don't know how to use it, it'll use you. Think you need to be rich to invest? Wrong. I started with $50 in an index fund. It's not about perfection, it's about direction. But what really changed everything was a mindset shift, something that took me from survival to growth. I stopped asking, how can I afford this? And started asking, how can I build something that lasts? Here's what I did differently. Built an emergency fund, $1,000 at first, then 3 months of expenses. Used the debt snowball method, smallest to largest. Momentum matters. Automated savings and investments. Learned to say no to things that only offered short-term happiness. I found power in delayed gratification and purpose in financial freedom. But listen, I'm not perfect. I still make mistakes. What changed is I have a system now, a plan, a why. And if you're 18 to 30 right now, you are in the single most important decade of your financial life. The choices you make today don't just affect your bank account, they affect your freedom, your stress, your options for years to come. And the truth is, most people never escape that paycheck to paycheck trap. But you can. I made bad financial decisions, and they nearly broke me, but they also taught me how to build. If you're ready to stop living in regret and start taking real control of your money, then don't stop here. Your next step is critical, because learning how to save is the foundation of everything. So go watch my next video. Financial tips for saving money that actually work. Linked right here on your screen. You've got time, but you don't have forever. Start now.